up, YouTube? Today we're going to make some fluffy slime, but it's currently 3 o'clock in the morning. For you guys who don't know what happens at 3 a.m., demons, spirits, everyone comes out at this hour because apparently Jesus Christ died at 3 p.m. and the devil created 3 a.m. to mock his death. That's why everything weird happens at 3 a.m. So, I heard weird stuff happens when you do things at 3 a.m. So today we're gonna make some fluffy slime. Alright, if you don't know how to make fluffy slime, let me show you real quick. Alright, first, we need some glue. By the way, I have 6 candles because, you know, it's scary. Alright, first of all, just pour your glue into this container here. Very good. Alright, now you just want to grab some shaving cream and just yeah, it's 3 a.m. right now. Yeah! Now just grab some food coloring. In this case, it's gonna be green, so here we go. Let's just... Alright, now all you want to do now is just mix it all around. Make it all fluffy like and yeah. While you're mixing it, grab some eye contact solution and just, you know, just pour it, you know. Once you're done mixing all the stuff, it should look exactly like this. Fluffy slime. You can mess with it, you can play with it. You can put handprints on your hand. Look at that. You can just make weird noises like this. Ooh, look at that. Does that look cool? Look at that. And then you can fold it and then do it again. And then you can stretch it as long as you can. Check that out. For real, if you have the opportunity to play with fluffy slime, play with fluffy slime, because this thing is just so addicting. Look at all these holes, man. Look at that. Bro.
No. No.
What? That was you.
No.
You blew it. You blew
No.
it. That was
not me.
That was not me. You saw me.
What was that?
Are we the only ones here?
I don't know.
What the freak, man? What?
That wasn't you?
Yo. Okay, it's currently 3:27 in the morning, and as you saw, the candles blew out. Neither one of us did that, and we are trying to figure out what is going on. So it's either this slime, I don't know, maybe the slime's haunted, or maybe...
Oh, please.
Bruh. Is that window?
Yeah.
Can you, look at Baxter, look at Baxter. What's he doing? Does he see anything? It's usually dogs can see whatever.
Why is he staring outside?
Oh, shoot, man. Let's go outside. Let's do this. So the knock came from here.
Yeah.
Nothing's here. Yo, these trees right here are just creepy.
Yeah.
Like straight creepy, man. Nothing's down there. I'm trying to look. Everything's good. Alright, this is gonna be a dumb idea, but I feel like the video is gonna get interesting if we go down, so let's make this video interesting. But first of all, the knocking came from up there, okay? Right there, it knocked. Obviously no one's here.
Hey.
What?
Someone's down there.
No, shut up. I'm not...
I always hate going down there.
Shut up, I don't want... No, we can't, there's no reason why to go down there. Let's just check this area out first. So far, there's no one. It's currently 3 o'clock. I don't know why we're doing this 3 in the morning, but we are doing it, and so far, there is no one. Okay. Whoa, yo, what is that? Yo, check. Oh, shoot. Is there someone sitting in that chair? You see that chair? Is that someone? Hello?
What is that?
Okay, no, there's nothing. It's just a barbecue. Freaking scary right now, man.
I don't like this. I want to go back inside.
Gosh, what in the world? What's going on? All right, let's keep going deeper. So far, we're still alive. I don't see anyone here. That's creepy in the back right there. That little, we gotta get rid of that.
Yeah.
Fire. All right, I say let's check the crawl space. This is gonna be creepy, but let's do it. Ever since I first moved to this house, it's my parents' house by the way, I've always hated this thing. In general, this is the area called the crawl space underneath the house, and it always freaked me out. So we're just gonna check it out. Ooh, look, spider web.
Where?
Right there, you see it?
Ooh.
Let's let me just break it.
Sorry, spider.
You see anything? Why is there a Halloween thing there?
What?
You see that Halloween thing?
Ooh. Just staring at us.
Yeah. This always creeped me out. So far, nothing, right?
Nothing.
See anything? Yo! You saw that black flicker?
No,
Did you see the shadow? Bro,
what was it?
Did you see it? Go. We need to go back. Bruh, okay, I'm not gonna lie. There was I don't know if you saw it, but I saw a black shadow, very translucent. It was behind the trick-or-treat thing, the purple trick-or-treat thing. It just like zoomed, like it kind of encapsulated a part of the I can't even talk. Like you see my hand, it's like like I'm not even making this up right now. This is like, I didn't even expect to go down there, but that was so creepy. All right, we gotta go back in. Yo, what the?
What?
Do you see this? Bruh, do you see this? No way.
It was green.
Bruh. It's still kind of fluffy too. Baxter, hey, do you know anything about this? Do you know?
What did you see, Baxter?
Oh, bro. Anyways, for real, if you had the opportunity to play with slime, this is so weird, man. This is so creepy, man. That crawl space under there was never getting it. Garage?
Garage.
Was that the garage? The garage is in this row right there, right?
Yeah.
Bruh. Did the lights not work here?
They should.
Because it would be, no one's here, apparently. Yo.
No.
Bro, you saw that too?
Yes.
It was a candle.
Candle. Is someone standing beside it?
Shut up, no one's here. Come here. There's the candle right there.
Yo, is that shoe?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh God!
My phone. What is that?
No, dude, that's just...
pause fishing thing.
Okay, that scared me. Why is there candle there, bro? Oh! It came from there! Come here! You see anything? Zoom in? Nothing?
Nothing. It's just the kitchen. Did you see that?
What happened?
There's a black right there. Black
Where?
figure.
Where?
Like the chair but behind. What was
No, seriously, shut up!
Yo, what was that?
Shut up! Yo, dude. Bro. What number is this?
6,
Okay, how many candles are there?
5.
There were 6 candles when I started this video. You think the garage has the 6th one? You think
Yeah.
we have to return the candle here, maybe?
Maybe.
Hurry up, let's go. Yo, where is it? It was right here before. I can't
Check
see.
under the blanket.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Oh! Yo! What? Yo! You didn't hear that?
No.
How do you open this? How do you open this? We gotta go. We gotta go. Go, 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 go. Look at me. Look at me. You okay?
Yeah. What was that? What shut the door?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't want to film anymore.
Let's look through here. Let's look through here. Look. You see anything?
I don't see anything.
It's too reflecting.
Yeah.
Alright, we're good, we're good. I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video here. Never again doing 3 a.m. stuff. If you want me to, I will. I probably won't. Okay, we're done. We're done. We can't mess with this anymore. We can't mess with that anymore.